Hi everyone, Ithute here from Losika Writes with another video. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel to make our channel grow, and comment down below any feedback or any new video suggestions that you might have. Today we are carrying on from one of our last videos where you were getting ready for school. We have had a video about the poem that describes the whole process of getting ready for school, and also describing what you would do when you're getting ready for the day. But this time we're going to talk about getting ready for school. So to summarize, what we've already talked about is that you get up, you wake up, tsoga is to wake up, and you say hi. Dumedisa is hi. And then you have a shower, tlapa, then you moisturize, itasa mafura, then you get dressed, apara, you put on your shoes, rwala ditlhako, you brush your teeth, brush your hair, kama moriri. Then you eat breakfast, dijo tsa maphakela or to breakfast. So you eat breakfast. So then you're getting ready for school. So routinely you pack your lunch. Or, your lunchbox. So baka mobako. Baka dijo sama pakela. Baka is derived from the word to pack. So you pack your lunchbox, put it in your book bag. More baking, yasekolo. And then pack your books. One book is buka, multiple books dibuka. So puta is to pack, pack your books, puta dibuka. And then off you go to school, whether you're walking, tsamaya kadi now. Walking, tsamaya kadi now. Or you get a ride. My son gets a ride in my car. Zamaya ka koloi. So then you make it to school. Then what do you do when you get to school? Well, you would say hi to the teacher. Dumedisa moruta bana. Dumedisa moruta bana. Dumedisa is to say hi. Moruta bana is the teacher. Literally is the teacher of kids. But yeah, teacher. And then nafafate is to sit and learn. To learn is ithute. Ithute is to learn. So you might be doing mathematics. Dipalo is mathematics. You might learn setswana. If you're in Botswana, South Africa, you might learn setswana. So ithute setswana. You might learn English, sekgowa. You might have a science class, dithuto tsa maranyane, lessons about science. Learn a few things. And then you get to recess, which is a break, and you go and play. Tameka is to play. So you play with your friends. Tameka le ditsala. Ke tameka le ditsala tsame is I play with my friends. So you go and play with your friends. You eat. So you eat from your lunchbox. Ke ja dijo tsa mopako is I eat what's in my lunchbox. And then you get back again to learning. So you might be learning how to draw, or in art class you're learning how to draw. Ke ithuta go tshwanta. Ke ithuta go tshwanta is I'm learning how to draw. What else might you learn? You might have home economics, where you're learning how to cook. Ke ithuta go apa. Ke ithuta go apa. I am learning how to cook. In home economics, you might also learn how to sew. Ke ithuta go roka. That is to sew. Roka is to sew. And then it's time to go home. So to get ready, wa puta. Puta is to pack. futa di buka, and put them in your bag, book bag, more baking, and make your way home. Kaya laping, I am going home. Whether you are walking, kita maya kadinaw, or you go with a car, ke palama koloi, kaya laping. Kaya laping is I am going home. Then that's how you would have spent the day. You might have an after-school program where you are learning how to play sport, maybe. Metameko, kwele is the soccer. Kwele ya letloa is netball. Kwele is a ball, so soccer. Kwele ya dinao. Kwele ya dinao is ball of the feet, also known as soccer. Kwele ya letloa is ball of the net or netball. Or you might go for a swim club, swimming. Hutuma is to swim. And yeah, or you might go and play chess. I don't think chess has its own name, so utameka chess. Getameka chess. I play chess. And yeah, then you make your way home. Kaya lapeng, getamaya kadinao. I'm walking home. Or kepalama koloi kaya lapeng. That's how you would have spent the day at school. At school, you might have interacted with a few people. So your teacher, muruta bana, your friends, ditsala, friends. I wouldn't say you have enemies at school. You just have people who are not your friends. And yeah, I think that's all you would do at school. Let me know if you have other things you might do at your school, and I could help you translate them. All right, till next time, kosiame. Bye.